What's up? You know, before I was showing y'all like some stuff outside that's good for your mental state, making you feel better, things like that, right? We all like to feel good, whether it's a good movie to make you laugh, some good music, good friends, whatever it is, right? So I'm gonna share with y'all just a little bit more of nature, right? So that you can see it from wherever you at. You can be right here where I'm at the same time. Like this steep hill right here, you know, real rocky. If you're adventurous enough, you could try to climb that. But look, we're gonna go this way and see what's up ahead. Let's roll. And here's the little creek here. If y'all can hear the water flowing through there. And in some places you can still see snow. It's been a while since it snowed, but it's been like a couple weeks, a week and a half. But there's still snow like over here, a little bit there, a little bit of snow. And all of this water that you're seeing running down this creek, all of that is from snow melt. Ice pack is what they call it. And you see, here you have to watch your step. Because it's like I'm on a little downgrade right there. And all of these little jagged rocks. So you have to watch where you're stepping. And it's quite hilly there. So you see, like right up there, pretty steep going up there. Yeah, so that's a little bit of it right there. So till the next time, peace.